wonderful, wonderful. Welcome to the semi-final stage of the Junior Charts, Season 4. We're getting closer, right? So with me today, Ghana Christian High and the most wonderful Birmingham Primary and Junior High School. You're welcome. Welcome, welcome. Right, my name is Evelyn Ejipon, and I'm going to be your quiz mistress for this season. And we are going to introduce our team from Ghana Christian High. Can I have your names and what class you're in?
Althea Keman, Year 9.
Let them finish.
Ivan Adiko, Year 9.
Princess J. Mensah, Year 9.
Seno Hine, Year 9.
Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome, Ghana Christian High. The same for Birmingham Junior High.
Ado Joyce, Grade 9.
Afenyo Diana, Grade 9.
Victoria Muzi, Grade 9.
Pony Senior, Grade 9.
Excellent. Wonderful. They're all Grade 9, which means maybe next year we'll see them in the seniors. Who knows, right? Very good. Okay, so we're going to go through 4 rounds. We start off with the right corner round, and then we go to the R-cubed round, and the STEM round, and then the one-on-one round. I'm sure our competitors know exactly what happens in each of those rounds, but we're going to start with the right corner round, and I believe Ghana Christian High won the ballot, so you take the first set of questions. This round is brought to us courtesy of Kellogg's, our sponsor. You have 8 questions to attempt in 2 minutes. I'll go through all the questions. If we have time at the end, anything you've passed on, I will come back to. All right, are we all clear on that? Okay, so your battle here is with the clock. First question. In 1471, 2 Portuguese explorers called Pedro de Escobar and Juan de Santarém arrived near Chama on the coast. In December 1481, another Portuguese explorer led an expedition to build a castle in Elmina. Who is this person? Yes.
Don Diego de Azambuja.
Excellent. Correct for 10 points. Which Europeans built the fort Penzenstein at Keta? Or Prinsenstein? Let me pronounce it correctly. Yeah.
The Germans.
Incorrect. Who was the first speaker of Ghana in the 4th Republic?
Justice Daniel Francis Annan.
Very true. Correct for 10 points. In which year did Ghana become a British colony?
1844.
Incorrect. It was 1874. Who is the lead counsel of the Electoral Commission of Ghana at an ongoing election petition in Ghana?
Justin Amenuvo.
Correct. Who was the governor at the time of 1948 riots?
Pass.
You're passing on that one. And how old was Azuma Nelson when he won the WBC featherweight bout in 1988?
28.
Incorrect. Which U.S. president was assassinated whilst in office?
JF Kennedy.
Correct. Who was the governor at the time of the 1948 riots?
Gerald McCreasy.
You're correct. And I think that brings us to the end of all your questions that you've attempted. Okay? Well done, Ghana Christian High. It is now the turn of Birmingham Primary and JHS. You have your 8 questions and 2 minutes to complete them in. Your first question. Who was the Speaker of Ghana's Parliament from March 1951 to December 1957?
Sir Charles Emmanuel Quist.
You're correct. This trademark practice led to the fall of the Achampon regime. It has its roots in the Hausa word keri kaburi, which means keep it quiet, actually standing for profiteering, corruption, hoarding, and cheating. Which practice was that?
Pass.
Passing on that. This agreement between the British and the Dutch over the exchange of forts in 1867 was one of the reasons that influenced the Anglo-Ashanti Wars. Which agreement was that?
Pass.
In which year was the Public Works Department established?
Pass.
In which year was the Aborigines Rights Protection Society formed?
Pass.
Who is the Minister of Education of the Republic of Ghana?
Dr. Osei Duchu.
Correct. Who is the first Ghanaian boxing world champion?
DK Poison.
You're correct. Which US president died in office?
JF Kennedy.
That's incorrect. It was F.D. Roosevelt, okay? That brings us to the end of the first round. So at the end of the first round, Ghana Christian High scored 50 points, Burma Camp JHS scored 30 points. All right, pretty good first round there. Are we ready for the second round now? So in the second round called the R-cubed round, writing, reading, arithmetic, your schools are going to be posed a question. This is going to happen in turn. A wrong answer will attract a penalty of -5. If you interrupt and you get it wrong, you also attract a penalty of -5. I will continue to read the question for the other team to attempt. Right, we ready? 3 of the interior angles of a regular pentagon are each x. The others are 3x. Determine the value of x. Your options are 9 degrees, 9x degrees, 50 degrees, or 190 degrees.
Pass.
You're passing on that one. Ghana Christian High, you care to try? Yes, I think that's Althea.
60 degrees.
That's incorrect. The correct answer is 50. I didn't give 60 as an option. Okay? Right, your question proper now. The exterior angles of a quadrilateral are y degrees, comma, in brackets, y plus 5 degrees, comma, in brackets, y plus 10 degrees, comma, and in brackets, y plus 25 degrees. Determine the value of y. Options are 40, 80, 110, 320. Yes, that's Althea from Ghana Christian High.
Y is equal to 80.
You are correct for 80. Right, question 3 to Burma Camp, primary JHS. A ladder of length, x meters, is leaning against the wall. If the foot of the ladder is 5 centimeters from the wall and the ladder reaches 12 meters up the wall, how long is the ladder? Your options are 7 centimeters, 12 centimeters, 13 centimeters, and 15 centimeters.
13 centimeters.
You are correct for 10 points. Okay, Ghana Christian High, your question now. The interior angles of a triangle are 37 degrees, 29 degrees, and y degrees. Determine the value of y degrees. Your options are 37, 66, 114, and 132. Yes, Althea.
114 degrees.
You are correct for 10 points. All right, we're now moving on to the literacy round, okay? So here, you are finding the odd one out from the list I give you, okay? This is for Burma Camp, all right? A, unromantic. B, quixotic. C, idealistic. D, fanciful.
Idealistic.
That's incorrect. You lose marks there. So Ghana Christian, you care to try? No, we're going to move on. Your 4 words here are raffish, civilized, rakish, or uncouth.
Civilized.
That's correct for 10 points. Okay, Burma Camp JHS. Solution, query, inquiry, and reservation. Yeah.
Reservation.
Incorrect. I have to pass it over to Ghana Christian High. Yes.
Solution.
Solution is correct. Well done. Your 4 words are acrimonious, rancorous, amicable, or bitter?
Amicable.
Amicable is correct for 10 points. All right, we're going to move on. The questions are changing a bit, so please listen to the preamble. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate words. Okay, so I think this one is Burma Camp, JHS, your question first. So there's 2 gaps to fill in, right? Instead of dash, prove your worth by dash something. Your options are begging and demanding, talking and doing, worrying and paying, or writing and reading. I have to hand that over to Ghana Christian High.
Talking and doing.
That's correct for the bonus. It's correct for the bonus points. Right, your question proper now. We must explore dash sources of energy as our supply of fossil fuel has been dashed. And your options are alternative depleted, guaranteed over, natural exhausted, or sufficient increased. Yeah.
Alternative depleted.
That's incorrect. I'll hand this over to Burma Camp for the possible bonus. All right, that time is gone. It was natural and exhausted. Natural and exhausted. Right, Burma Camp, your question now. Many tourists to India visit the beautiful dash of Kashmir, dash in the spring and summer. Your options are town, frequently, valley, especially, scenery, generally, or lakes, rarely. Yeah.
Valley and what? Especially.
You're correct. Valley, especially. That is correct. So the final question in the R-Cube round goes to Ghana Christian High. We can dash to travel by air, but we dash train journey. Your options are plan, enjoy, aspire, commute, afford, prefer, decide, undertook. Yes.
Afford, prefer.
That is correct for 10 points. Right, that brings us to the end of that round. Okay, so at the end of the R-Cube round, Ghana Christian High scored 80 points. Burma Camp JHS scored 10 points. Well done to both teams.
When you wake up in the morning, before you start your day, breakfast time is Kellogg's time. For work and for play, for a great start to your day, breakfast time is Kellogg's time.
We always start our day with a nourishing Kellogg's breakfast, powered with the goodness of grains and 11 essential vitamins and minerals. So in our family, breakfast time is Kellogg's time.
This advertisement has been voted and approved by the FDA.
Whenever Princess starts, the neighbors do complain that her voice and the beats are too loud. Who is scared of the voices of tomorrow's superstars?
You special in your way.
It's me, like no other.
No one else can do it like you.
It's me, like no other. I can play the drum. I can sing. Like no other. I can dance. Like no other. I'm talented. I can draw. I can be myself. With Indomie.
That must be a neighbor.
You special in your way.
It's me, like no other.
No one else can do it like you.
It's me, like no other.
Here's to all amazing moms who identify and nurture the uniqueness in our kids.
Indomie instant noodles tastes great. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
We are making a mark in Africa, building leaders and entrepreneurs who would push boundaries to rewrite the African story. Through ethical leadership, innovation, this is Africa. Welcome to the future. Welcome to Academic City. the first 250 new students who register with Academic City this year enjoy up to 50% discount on tuition fee. Visit www.act.edu.gh/admissions to apply now. You are the future. Choose ACT. Make your mark.
So we're now going to move on to the STEM round. The STEM round. Are we ready? Listening to the instructions for me. I'm going to pose questions to both schools. You can buzz in at any time. Should you get it correct, it's 10 points. Incorrect, -5. If I haven't finished reading the question when you buzz in, I will continue and the other team can try. Okay? Right. Are we ready? Question 1. This man who created the rocket propellant ballistite names the element with the atomic number 102. A French newspaper called him the merchant of death because he invented nitroglycerin. For 10 points, name this Swedish creator of dynamite who used his fortune to find the namesake.
Alfred Nobel.
You are correct, Alfred Nobel, 10 points. Second question. Mycorrhizae combine fungi and these structures eaten in cassavas. Mangroves have aerated ones, and the great majority in the fibrous system are within 50 centimeters of the surface. Tap is another kind of this. For 10 points, what structures? Yeah,
Roots.
This is Ghana Christian High.
Roots.
Roots is correct for 10 points. Next statement. Humans normally have 12 pairs, the last 2 of which are floating because they don't connect. Wow. Ghana Christian High?
Ribs.
You're correct, it's the ribs. Amperes measures what current? Ghana Christian High?
Current.
Incorrect. Incorrect. Birmingham JHS?
Electrical current.
You're correct, it's electrical. Yeah. Next statement. The high or low frequencies in a sound wave is called what? Wavelength, pitch, or amplitude?
Amplitude.
Incorrect. Ghana Christian High?
Pitch.
Pitch is correct. Next one. What does PV cell stand for? Okay, our time is up there. What was the name of the space mission that landed on the first humans on the moon? That's Ghana Christian High?
Apollo 11.
You're correct for 10 points. Apollo 11. Right, our last question in this round. What 2 measurements are required in order to calculate your BMI, your body mass index? Ghana Christian High?
Height and mass.
You're correct. Okay. That brings us to a very interesting STEM round. Very, very good. Well done. Right, so at the end of the STEM round, Ghana Christian High, 45 points. Birmingham JHS, 10 points. We're now moving on to the one-to-one round. So you're paired, you have 2 questions. Maximum of 10 points for the right answer, a deduction of 5 for the wrong answer. So your first question, English round. Conference is to chairman as newspaper is to what? Wow, okay, Ghana Christian High.
Editor.
You are correct. Please wait for the options. Second question. Spell logorrhea. Logorrhea. Princess. Ghana Christian High.
Logorrhea. Logorrhea.
No, that's incorrect. Do you want to try? No, you don't want to try. You were so nearly there, Princess. Logorrhea. You put an O in there. Yeah, never mind. Thank you, ladies. That's the end of the English round. Mathematicians, come up, please. First question. Y is inversely proportional to the square of x. When x is equal to 4, y equals to 0.25, find the value of x when y is 25. No office? Okay, the answer there was 2/5, or 2/5. All right, that was the value we were looking for. Second question. Joseph drives at, in brackets, 2x plus 5, close brackets, kilometers per hour for 3 hours. He then rested for 1 hour. If his average speed for the journey is 13/8x kilometers per hour, find the value of x. Last 10 seconds. Time is now up. No office? Oh. The answer there was 30. 30 was the answer. All right? Thank you very much, mathematicians. Okay, are we ready, scientists? 2 questions again. Why does a green plant quickly wither when placed under green light? You have 4 options. The green plant absorbs the green... Who was that? Was it you first? No, it was you. Right.
The green plant reflects the green light and doesn't absorb it.
Okay, can I hear yours?
The plant does not absorb the green light, and photosynthesis does not occur.
Okay, so I think I'm going to give it to Bermerkamp JHS there. He gave a much more precise answer, okay? The green plant does not absorb the green light, and photosynthesis is affected, and that's what I wanted to hear. The Austrian monk, considered the father of modern genetics, bred thousands of pea plants and studied the prevalence.
Gregor Mendel.
You're correct. The answer there was Gregor Mendel. Excellent. Right, our social scientists for the general knowledge round, please. Okay, so we have 2 questions. The first one is you've got to identify the band that is performing this song. So you have to listen. The name of the band that is performing this tune.
We are going, heaven knows where we are going. We know within.
Our time is up. An amazing band, Osibisa. All right, Osibisa. Maybe well before your time, but those are good music. You should listen to it. All right. Second question. I want you to give me the name of this head of the WTO. Yes, Ghana Christian High.
Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala.
You are correct. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. Okay, so that brings us now to the end of our competition. So at the end of our 1-to-1 round, Ghana Christian High scored 10 points, Bermerkamp JHS scored 20 points. Excellent round there. That brings us to the end of a very exciting semi-final of the Junior Sharks competition, and Ghana Christian High have taken their seat at the finals. So Ghana Christian High score 175 points, Burma Camp Commiserations 70 points, and a hard-fought semi-final. I'm sure we'll see you next season. All right? All the best. Thank you. Hello and welcome to season 4 of the Junior Sharks. We are at the semi-final stage. So we had our last semi-final and we've now got our final semi-final to see who's going to join Ghana Christian High in the final stage. Today I have with me Vine Christian School, welcome.
Thank you.
And Mana International School, welcome.
Thank you.
My name is Evelyn Ejapong and I'm going to be your quiz mistress for today, okay? So, as usual, there are 4 rounds. So, without much ado, we're going to start. Round 1, the right corner round. And this is sponsored by Kellogg's. 8 questions. Vine Christian School, are we ready?
Yes.
Wonderful. First question. Who was the General Secretary of the UGCC?
Dr. Kwame Nkrumah.
Correct. Which Ghanaian head of state introduced the Operation Feed Yourself policy?
J.J. Rawlings.
That's incorrect. It was Ike Achampong. In which year was an accelerated development plan of education drawn for Ghana?
Pass.
When was the Confederation of African Football founded? That's CAF. When was it founded?
1960.
That's incorrect. 1956 is the correct answer. Who won the first Best African Footballer of the Year?
Pass.
Who is the Minister of Trade and Industry?
Mr. Alan Tremantin.
That's correct. Who was the only daughter of Jacob?
Dinah.
Diana is correct. And what is the capital city of Somalia?
Mogadishu.
Mogadishu is correct. You passed on 1. Who won the first Best African Footballer of the Year?
We still pass.
You still pass on that. His name was Salif Keita. Last one. In which year was the Accelerated Development Plan of Education drawn in Ghana?
We still pass.
Okay, it was 1951. That brings us to the end of that round for the Vine Christian School. Well done. Mana International School. Are we ready? Excellent, Junior Sharks. Your first question. Mention the name of the first Minister of Education in Ghana.
Komla Bedama.
No, incorrect. It was Kojo Botsio. Which governor established Achimota College in 1927?
Have.
Who was the president of the UGCC?
J.B. Danko.
No, George Alfred Grant. Where is the headquarters of the Confederation of African Football?
Giza, Egypt.
Egypt is correct. In which year was the first African Cup of Nations tournament held?
1956.
1957. Who is the only African to have won the World Footballer of the Year?
Abedi Ayew Pele.
Unfortunately not, it was George Weah. Who was the first murderer in the Bible?
Cain.
Correct. What is the capital city of Lesotho?
Maseru.
You're correct. Which governor established Achimota College in 1927?
Gordon Gorgesbeck.
You are correct on that one. That brings us to the end of all your questions that you've attempted. So we're now at the end of our right corner round. So at the end of the first round, Vine Christian School, 40 points. Mana International School, 40 points. Okay, so we're going to move on to the R-cubed round. Each school is going to be posed a question for a maximum of 10 points. The wrong answer gives you a penalty of -5. If you get it wrong or you decide not to answer, I will pass it on to the other school, who can take a bonus of 5 points if they get it correct. All right. Here, you just need to tell me the odd one out. The first question goes to Mana International School. Beneficial, salubrious, unhealthy, and healthful. Yes.
Unhealthy.
Unhealthy is correct for 10 points. Well done, Mana International School. Second question to Vine Christian School. Salutary, irrelevant, salubrious, restorative. Yes,
Irrelevant.
Vine. Irrelevant is correct for 10 points. Mana International School, your question. Countenance, sanction, ban, assent, Yes, Mana.
Accent.
Accent is incorrect. I'm going to pass that over to Vine Christian School for a bonus.
Countenance.
That's also incorrect. The correct answer there was ban. Vine Christian School, your last set here. Wicked, malevolent, benevolent, or sinister.
Benevolent.
Benevolent is correct for 10 points. Our next sequence of questions, you need to give me the 2 option words that go into the gaps in the sentence I state. All right? So we're going to start this time with Mana International School. The dash of glory led but to the something. Okay, so the dash of glory led but to the dash. And your 2 options here are A, acts, prosperity, B, achievements, suffering, C, paths, grave, and D, ways and happiness. All right, your time is up, Mana, so I will pass this over to Vine. All right.
Act and glory. A.
That's incorrect. The correct answer were paths and graves. The paths of glory lead to the grave. Right? Vine Christian School, your statement here. We do not dash our dreams because they do not dash with our perceptions of waking life. Your options here are admit, coincide, accept, mix, value, match, or believe, agree.
Value and match. Value and match.
That's incorrect. It's not value and match. Mana International School, you get the option here. No, I'll move on. It was believe and agree. We do not believe our dreams because they do not agree with our perceptions of waking life. Right, next one is Mana International School. He granted the request because he was dashed to dash his friends. Bound, hurt. Reluctant, disappoint. Sure, displease. Unwilling, please. Our time is up there. Vine Christian School, care to try? No, it was reluctant and disappoint. He granted the request because he was reluctant to disappoint his friends. Vine Christian School, your question. Mr. Rajesh dashed his wife that he would take dash action to set right his erring son. A, called strict. B, assured stringent. C, reiterated strictly. D, informed and constructive.
Assured stringent.
Well done there, Vine Christian School. Assured stringent. We're moving on to some maths questions now. Mana International, you get the first question. Find the highest common factor of 96, 112, and 504. Okay, your time is up. Vine Christian School, care to take the bonus on that one? The answer there was 8. Your question proper now, Vine Christian School. Find the lowest common multiple of 96, 112, and 504. Our time is now up. No option. The answer there was 2016. Right, our next 2 questions, there's a preamble, so I need you all to listen. Given that M is inversely proportional to, in brackets, n minus 2, close brackets, squared, and that M is equal to minus 2, when n is equal to 5, find, and this one goes to you, Mana International, an equation involving M and n. Right, you got an answer for me? Yeah.
M is equal to K over N minus 2, or is the power squared, where K is the constant.
Incorrect. Vine, do you have an option for me on that one? No. Right, question 12. The value or values of n when m is equal to minus 4.5. No answer? Mana International, care to give us an answer there? No? Time is up. You have 2 possible answers there. It could have been minus 2 or 2, or 0 or 4. Right, so a preamble for the next set of questions, please. Towns P and Q are 120 kilometers apart. Mr. Tan drove from P to Q and was scheduled to reach Q after 2 hours. His average speed was 54 kilometers per hour for the first 40 minutes. So our next question now goes to Mana International. What was his average speed for the remaining journey if he managed to arrive just on time? Yes, an answer?
108 kilometers per hour.
That is incorrect. Bonus to Vine. Care to try? No. 63 kilometers per hour is what we're looking for. Okay, Vine Christian School, your question. Same preamble. The time taken for his journey, his return journey, is 2 hours and 10 minutes. Find his average speed for the whole journey. Our time is up. No option? Okay, I'm going to hand it over to Mana International School. You're not taking that either. The correct answer was 57.6 kilometers per hour. That's his average speed. Right, we're moving on from that preamble now, okay? Last 2 questions of this round. Mana International School. Express 300 grams as a percentage of 1.5 kilograms. Yes.
20%.
20% is correct for 10 points. Vine Christian School. Convert 1.2 kilometers per hour to meters per second. Okay, time's up now. An option? All right, Mana.
1/3 meters per second.
You are correct. 1/3. 1/3 meters per second. That brings us to the end of our cubed round. Our scores are Vine Christian School, 15 points. Mana International School, 10 points. Well done, well done. And Mana are having a substitution. I don't know who's going. Who's going? You are, okay. So you go.
Whenever Princess starts, the neighbors do complain that her voice and the beat are too loud. Who is scared of the voices of tomorrow's superstars?
You special in your way. It's me, like no other. No one else can do it like you. It's me. I can play the drum. I can sing. I can dance. I'm talented. I can draw. I can be myself. It's
That must be a neighbor.
You special in your way. It's me, like no other. No one else can do it like you. It's me, like no other.
Here's to all amazing moms who identify and nurture the uniqueness in our kids.
Indomie instant noodles. Tastes great.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
When you wake up in the morning before you start your day, breakfast time is Kellogg's time. For work and for play, for a great start to your day, breakfast time is Kellogg's time.
We always start our day with a nourishing Kellogg's breakfast, powered with the goodness of grains and 11 essential vitamins and minerals. So in our family, breakfast time is Kellogg's time.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
We are making a mark in Africa, building leaders and entrepreneurs who would push boundaries to rewrite the African story. Through ethical leadership, innovation, this is Africa. Welcome to the future. Welcome to Academic City. The first 250 new students who register with Academic City this year enjoy up to 50% discount on tuition fee. Visit www.act.edu.gh/admissions to apply now. You are the future. Choose ACT. Make your mark.
All right, so welcome to round 3. Questions are posed to both schools. You can buzz in at any time for 10 points if you get it correct. However, should you get it incorrect, you lose 5 points. And we then pass it over to the other team to pick up the potential bonus of 5 points. First question. This language's 2011 Dolphin release updated its Swing graphical library and the MBeans used to manage its namesake virtual machine. Developers for Android phones use this object-oriented language, also found in website applets. For 10 points, what language's name are we using? And a slang for coffee. Okay, Vine Christian School.
Java.
Java is correct for 10 points. Second question. This scientist interpreted Brownian motion and explained the photoelectric effect. Another of his theories, yes, Mana International School.
Albert Einstein.
Albert Einstein, very good. Excellent interruption there. Next question. This element, which yields the most common anion, is the blood in the blood, combines with hydrogen to form a compound secreted by the stomach. It has the atomic number 17 and is found Mana International School.
Chlorine.
Chlorine is correct. You need to be louder for me. This quantity can be calculated using peripheral resistance and controlled by drugs such as ACE inhibitors. This quantity is elevated in hypertension. It comes in systolic and diastolic forms. That side first. Vine Christian School.
Blood pressure.
You are correct. Blood pressure, 10 points. What is the chemical symbol for niobium? Vine Christian School.
NB.
NB is correct. Which element from the periodic table is the anagram of no crab?
Carbon.
You are correct, Vine Christian School. Carbon, 10 points. What name is given to the bones that make up a person's spine? Vine Christian School.
Vertebra.
Vertebrae is correct. Excellent. How many minutes does it take for light from the sun to reach the earth? Is it 5? Okay.
8 minutes.
8 is actually a more accurate answer, so we've adjusted and given Mana those 10 points for saying 8. True or false? To split an atom is called fusion. Divine Christian School?
False.
False is correct. What color blood cells defend our body against disease? Vine Christian School?
White blood cells.
Correct for 10 points. White blood cells. That brings us to the end of our third round. At the end of that round, 70 for Vine Christian School and 30 for Mana International School. Well done to both teams. Right, we're now moving on to the final round, one-on-one round, brought to us courtesy of Indomie. We have our specialists against our specialists, English, Maths, Science, and General Knowledge. 2 questions to each pair. You buzz in at any point. Of course, you risk losing points if you buzz in too soon and you don't get it correct. If you get it incorrect, it's 5 minus 5, and it goes to the other competitor. So can I have our English specialist stay on stage, and the rest of you can go, okay? First question. Complete the analogy. Cricket is for bat as hockey is for A, field, B, stick, C, player, D, ball. No attempt? The answer there was stick. Same analogy now, or similar type question. Miserly is to cheap, as homogeneous is to extravagant, unkind, alike, or friendly.
Extravagant.
Yes, Vine Christian.
Extravagant. Extravagant.
Extravagant is incorrect. Mana, care to try? No, the answer there was alike. Homogeneous is to alike. That brings us to the end of the English specialist round. Thank you very much, our English specialists. Welcome, mathematicians. Are we ready? 2 questions. These are numbers such as 5 plus 6i, where I is... Oh, wow. Okay. Mana International School.
Imaginary numbers.
Wow. Okay, he's correct there. Second question. 15 and 21 are this kind of number that can be written as n times n plus 1, all over 2. They are the sum of 1 through some larger integer. Yes, Mana International School?
Triangular numbers.
He's correct. Triangular numbers. Can I have my scientists on stage, please? Welcome, scientists. Pandas consume mainly bamboo shoots. Bamboos grow in cooler environments. Due to recent climate changes, bamboo are slowly becoming a scarcity in the native forest habitats of pandas. Taking into consideration that adult pandas do not actually have natural predators, and neglecting the effects of human poaching, what is the most logical explanation that the adult panda population is still stable? A, adult pandas are moving into an omnivorous diet.
A.
Yes. Even Anadubia is nodding because that's unreal, right? Second question. This body's surface pressure is about 1% of the Earth's. Dry ice forms via dispositions at the poles of this planet. There are only trace amounts of oxygen in its atmosphere, which is approximately 96% carbon dioxide. For 10 points, name this red planet. Mana International School.
Mars.
Mars is correct. Can I have my social scientists up here? Right, welcome our general knowledge specialists. 2 questions. First one is a sound question. So you're going to listen to the music. Tell me the artist or artiste. Yes, Vine Christian School?
Bob Marley.
Bob Marley. Okay, this is a photograph round. So a photograph is going to appear on your screen. I wish you to tell me who this footballer is.
Diego Maradona.
Vine Christian School, Diego Maradona. Stay where you are. Okay? All right, that brings us to the end of our one-on-one round sponsored by Indomie. All right, so at the end of round 4, Vine Christian School scored 15 points. Mana International School scored 40 points. Very good on the end of that round, which brings us to the end of the contest, and the contest total is Vine Christian School, 140 points. Mana International School, 120 points. I don't think we would have gotten any closer than that. Wow, wow, wow. Mana, you need to hold your heads up high. You did exceptionally well there, okay? That brings us to the end of our second semi-final of the Junior Sharks Season 4. Well done to both teams. Well done to both teams. Exceptional work. That brings us to the end of this particular match and this particular competition. Thank you so much. My name is Evelyn Ejipong, and I have been your quiz mistress for Junior Sharks Season 4. Thank you. Hello, 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 and welcome to the finals of the Sharks competition, Season 4. 16 weeks has brought us to this point. And today, in our finals, we have Christian High International School versus Vine Christian School. So the competition of the Christian schools. We're in Season 4. Christian High and the juniors are second-time returnees. Can they hold on to their championship? So we've come this far. There's lots of nerves, but I know we have a supportive audience here today with us. So can I welcome on stage our competitors, please? Please welcome, round of applause, Ghana Christian High and Vine Christian School. Welcome, welcome, welcome. What a journey it's been. And you've come this far. And the reward there, you can see the awards in the corner there. Who's going to go home with it today? Right? So I'm sure you're going to say Vine Christian School, right? And I'm sure you're going to say Christian High, Ghana Christian High. Am I right? Okay. So, without much ado, we're going to listen to some school's anthems and introductions. So, can we first have the anthem of Ghana Christian High? Thank you.
Who will not fear in this great and mighty God of gods, creator of heaven and sea and sky, great Father, Spirit, Son, one God in Trinity, we will forever your name praise. Praise Him for His faithfulness, praise Him for His kindness, He never changed from age to age. Magnify thy love with me and cause His name together and give Him that still His name. Who will not fear in this great and mighty God of gods, creator of heaven and sea and sky, great Father, Spirit, Son, one God in Trinity, we will forever your name praise. Praise Him for His faithfulness, praise Him for His kindness, He never changed from age to age. Magnify thy love with me and cause His name together and give Him that still His name.
Wonderful. All right. So can I have the team from Ghana Christian High introduce themselves, please? Let's start this side and go down. All right?
Sena Ohene.
Princess J. Mensah.
Ivan Adiko.
Althea Kema.
Give them a round of applause. You're most welcome. All right. So without much ado, we're now going to go to the anthem of Vine Christian School.
Guided by the Creator to
Well done, well done. Excellent. Can you now introduce yourself, starting from closest to me and down?
Melinda Hansen.
Nana Edwia Edilabi.
Nana Kwame Sakodiado.
Nana Kwame Tufoni Mako.
the team of Nanes, I think only Melinda is the one that sticks out, right? Are we ready to go?
Yes.
I want you to shake your hands out a bit. Right? We're all a bit nervous. I can see the nervous looks on the faces there. All right. Now, I want one person from each team to tell me how the journey this far has been. Who's going to be the spokesperson on each team? Okay, so Nana Kwame.
The journey's been hard.
Louder for us.
The journey's been hard.
Mm-hmm.
We've had to stay up all night. But we thank God that we're here. We also thank our teachers. We are prepared as much as we can be. And we'll do our best.
So you're going to win?
We hope, yes.
That's what I like. You have to think about that one. All right. So from Ghana Christian High, who's our spokesperson here? Senna, go for it.
The journey has been good. It's been a nice one. It's been tough sometimes, but there have been a lot of great times among ourselves, among everyone, the rest of the students and the teachers. I can only say we are very grateful for how far God has brought us.
Mm-hmm. It's been a long 16 weeks, right? But well done, well done. Well done from both of you. All right. So both teams are winners, either way, right? They've been through 16 weeks. I think 80 schools or so started, and we're now here. So you've done exceptionally well. Always remember that, right? No matter what the outcome is. So without much ado, we're going to start with our first round. The ballot was actually won by Ghana Christian High, but they chose to go second. So the Vine is going to go first. I think there might be some tactics there. Who knows? Let's see. All right? So are we ready? Now there's 4 rounds. We know that. Right corner round, sponsored by our wonderful Kellogg's. All right? Then we've got the R cubed round. Then we've got the STEM round. And then we've got the one-on-one round. So I'll explain a bit more as we go along, but I'm sure you guys are even more experts than I am on this, right? So we're ready to go. I'm going to start with the right corner round with Vine Christian School. You have 8 continuous questions. Your battle right now is against the clock. You have a minute and 30 seconds to answer 8 questions. If you're not sure, you can pass. An incorrect answer, you don't lose any marks. Okay, if you're not sure, say pass, and if you have time at the end, I will come back and I will ask that question again. All right? So without much ado, we start our Junior Shouts Quiz Season 4 with Vine Christian School on the right corner round. Ready? Okay, first question. Where in Ghana can we find Fort Patience? Cape Coast, Ningo, Saltpond, or Apam?
Pass.
Okay. What is the title of the chief of the Krobo people?
Pass.
On which date did the Ghana card replace the tax identification card?
Pass.
Which African country is the only non-English speaking country to join the Commonwealth?
Cape Verde.
Incorrect. Where do we have Africa's oldest sports stadium, football stadium?
Pass.
Which people celebrate the Apenoto festival? Is it the people of Winneba, the people of Mepe, the people of Ajumako, or the people of Tema?
Lepe.
Yes, you're correct. Which of these countries is not found in Eastern Europe? Belgium, Poland, Estonia, or Lithuania?
Belgium.
Correct. In which year did the former Soviet Union break up?
1991.
Correct. Let's go to some of your passes. Where in Ghana can you find Fort Patience, Cape Coast, Ningo, Saltpond, and Apam?
Saltpond.
Incorrect. What is the title of the chief of the Krobo people? Excellent. Your time is up, though. Well done, Vine Christian School. One and a half minutes goes very quickly, doesn't it? Are we ready? Ghana Christian High? Okay, so your 8 questions right now. Time on the clock. Let's go. Which is the largest country in the world in terms of size? Is it Russia, Canada, Sudan, or Brazil?
Russia.
Correct. Which of these is not a member of the Cocoa Producers Alliance, COPAL? Is it Togo, Ghana, Brazil, or Cameroon?
Togo.
Correct. In which country can we find Mount Everest?
Nepal.
Correct. Where in Accra, Ghana, can we find Fort Augustaburg?
Teshi.
Correct. Which date will the 2021 population and housing census take place?
27 June.
Wow, okay, well done. And what is the title of the chief of the Anlo people?
Tokbe.
Incorrect. Which people celebrate the Kotoklo festival? The people of Tema, the people of Yilokrobo, the people of Aguna, or the people of Mepe?
What was the second option, please?
Using B, you're correct. Which chapter of the 1992 Constitution deals with human rights of Ghanaians?
5.
Incorrect. In fact, I can't go back to any of them because you gave me incorrect answers on them, but you still have 10 seconds on the clock, and well done, Ghana Christian High. Okay. The cobwebs are out now, right? We're feeling a bit better. Yeah? You've set off. Now you're thinking, where do we go next? Yeah? So let's just wait on your scores and see how we're going. Right. So at the end of round 1, Vine Christian School scored 30 points. Ghana Christian International High School scored 60 points. So the questions in the archive round are regarding reading, writing, and arithmetic. Each school is posed a question for a maximum of 10 points. A wrong answer attracts a penalty, however, in this round of -5. If you get an answer wrong and decide not to attempt the question, we can pass it over to the other team to pick up a +5. We all understand that. So the questions go to... We start off with Vine Christian School. You need to choose the odd one out of these 4 words. Audacious, gluttonous, abstemious, or insatiable.
Abstemious.
Abstemious is correct for your 10 points. Okay, so now to Ghana Christian High. Same preamble, odd one out. Execrate, adore, revile, or loathe.
Adore.
Adore is correct for 10 points. Vine Christian School, same preamble. Lumber, trudge, strut, or trek. Odd one out.
Strut.
Correct. 10 points. Ghana Christian High. Odd one out. Rickety, dilapidated, ruinous, or sturdy. Odd one out.
Steady.
Correct for 10 points. Right, Vine Christian School, new preamble. Give the one-word substitution for the following phrases, okay? So, forcing out, for example, blood out of a vessel. Is it to extrapolate, exuberate, extricate, or extravasate?
Extracticate.
Repeat.
Extracticate.
As in C. No, I have to pass that over to Ghana Christian High.
Pass.
Pass. Okay. So your question proper now. A fixed orbit in space in relation to the Earth. Is it geology? Is it geosynchronous, geocentric, or geostationary?
Geocentric.
Incorrect. So we pass it over to Vine Christian School.
Geosynchronous.
That's also incorrect. The answer there was geostationary. And we're now halfway through our Junior Sharks competition. We're in the third round, the STEM round. Questions are posed to both schools. If you think you know the answer when I've not quite finished the question, you can buzz in and pick up 10 points. However, if you buzz in before I've finished and give me an incorrect answer, you lose 5 points. So this is where the tactics really come into play, okay? If you buzz in before I finish the question, I will continue the question for the opposition, all right? Okay, are we ready? In what kind of biological symmetry does a Sachidol plane divide an organism into roughly mirror image halves? Not sure? No? Okay, the answer was bilateral symmetry. Second question. Fish sense movements in water using what organs organized in rows along the sides of their body?
Fins.
Incorrect. Fine. Christian School, you care to try? Okay. The answer there was lateral lines. Question 3. This general device uses a compass needle that deflects in a magnetic field to measure current. Was that you?
Ammeter.
Okay, that was Ghana Christian High.
Ammeter.
Ammeter, I can't give you. Let me continue the question. Ammeters are a specific type using a shunt resistor in parallel with this device. You're not sure? The answer there was a galvanometer. Okay, question 4. Fish in this class, Chondrichthyes, have skeletons made not out of bone, but rather out of another material. What's the name of the material? Yes?
Keratin.
No, I'm not taking keratin. Ghana Christian High? You're fine. I like that. Yeah. Okay, the answer there was cartilage. Cartilage. Okay? Question 5. The lightest noble gas is created by fusion in stars. Or this lightest, sorry.
Helium.
Helium is correct. 10 points. Right, question 6. This noble gas was the first shown to form compounds. It is used as the propellant for ion thrusters on some spacecraft.
Xenon.
Xenon is correct. 10 points. Right, question 7. Surprisingly, this most recently discovered member of group 18 has been predicted to be a solid, not a gas, at room temperature. I need the name of an element. No one wants to try. Okay, you could simply have given me element 118 or un annoctium. Un annoctium. Or anontium. I don't know how to pronounce that, but you know what I mean. Okay, question 8. Last in this round. Hold on. No, it's not the last in this round. Sorry. In this part. Right, we're ready. In which of the following changes involving water will there be an increase in volume? When ice at 0 degrees melts to form water.
Density.
Repeat.
Density.
Unfortunately not. Unfortunately not. I'll continue for Ghana Christian High. Second option, when water at 0 degrees freezes to form ice at 0 degrees. When the temperature of water increases from 0 degrees to 4 degrees. Or when steam at 100 degrees condenses to form a liquid at 100 degrees. So which of those 4 options? Yep.
E.
That's incorrect. It was actually B. When water freezes to form ice. The only compound to do that in nature. It gets bigger when it actually freezes. Right. So, question 9. With respect to the transport of substances across membranes, which of the following statements are true? A. In order for a cell to reach the same water potential as its surroundings solution, there must be no net gain or water loss. B. In diffusion, there is no movement of substances across the membrane once dynamic equilibrium is reached. C. Both diffusion and osmosis can occur in the presence of membranes and the absence of energy. And D. Diffusion involves the movement of substances down the concentration gradient, whereas osmosis involves the movement of water molecules against the concentration gradient. So which of those 4 is true?
D.
Incorrect, it's not D. You don't want to try. It was actually C. Both diffusion and osmosis occur in the presence of membranes and the absence of energy. Question 10. A cup of water is filled to the brim with an ice cube floating on top. The ice cubes contains a large air bubble trapped inside. As the ice is melting, the water level in the cup will do, and I've got a list of things here. A, it will overflow. B, it will stay at the same level. C.
B. B.
B is correct. It will stay at the same level. Okay, there's an explanation about displacement and occupation of space and compensation, but you got the answer, so we'll go with that. That brings us to the end of quite a hard-fought round. I like the risk-taking. Okay, well done there. Well done. Yes. So we're almost at the end, 75% of the way there now, all right? At the end of that round, Ghana Christian International High School owe me some points, -5. And Vine Christian School managed to get 5 points. All right, so we're now moving on to our final round of this quiz competition. At the end of it, we will know who are the champions for season 4. All right? And this time, rather than having you work in a team, it is one-on-one. And this round is sponsored by our key sponsor, Indomie. It is English, math, science, and general knowledge. So we pit an English specialist versus an English specialist and so on. Do we understand that? Okay. So, can I have our English specialist stay on stage and the rest of you leave for a moment? Thank you. Okay. All right. Okay, let's go on. I like that. All right. So English, you're now going to complete these analogies for me, please. All right? So the analogy, the example given to you is mnemonic is to memory as A, audience is to speech. B, sedative is to sleep. C, drama is to acting. Or D, audition is to music. Yes, Ayayi.
C. Sedative is to sleep.
Well, actually, you've given me the right answer, but you gave me the wrong letter. I'll give it to you. Okay? You said sedative is to sleep. That was actually B, the correct answer. Okay? Second question. Polygamy is the practice of marrying multiple spouses. Which P word refers precisely to a woman who marries more than one husband? You don't seem sure? Okay, the answer to that was polyandry. Thank you. Thank you, English competitors. Can we have our mathematicians, please? Our mathematicians, please. Okay. Okay. You are welcome, mathematicians. You have 2 questions to answer as well. First question. For a natural number, after subtracting 15, it becomes a square number. It also becomes a number if 69 is added to this number. Sorry, it also becomes a square number if 69 is added to this number. Find such largest natural number. You have 20 seconds. All right, our time is up there. Anyone care to try? No. Okay, the second question is quite a long one, so I need you to pay attention, okay? John wrote a 4-digit number on a piece of paper and asked Peter to guess it. Peter asked, is it number 2435? John replied, 2 of the digits are correct. The positions of those digits are also correct. Peter asked again, is the number 6397? John replied, 2 of the digits are correct. The positions of those digits are all wrong. Peter asked again, is that number 9823? John said, all the digits are correct. The positions of those digits are all wrong. Given all the digits in the 4-digit number are all different, what is the number written by John? You have 30 seconds to work that out. Ten seconds. Okay, you don't want to give me an option. You want me to tell you the answer. It's 2938. Okay? Thank you, both of you. Thank you. Right, welcome to our scientists. You two have 2 questions, all right? First question. An element Y forms amphoteric oxides. It's a good conductor of electricity. It forms colored complex compounds. What could Y be? Right.
Yttrium. Yttrium.
Repeat.
Yttrium.
Lithium.
Yttrium.
Yttrium, no. Okay, I'm handing over to you, Ian. You don't want to try. The answer was chromium. Chromium. The hint there was the colored compounds. Okay? Second question. In using an axe to split firewood, the following energy forms are involved: chemical energy, mechanical potential energy in the axe, chemical energy of the wood, heat energy, sound energy, and kinetic energy of the wood fragments, mechanical kinetic energy of the axe. Okay, so quite a lot there. Which of the following is the most likely sequence of the energy changes? Is it I followed by II followed by IV followed by II? Is it I followed by IV, III, II? Or is it C, IV followed by II, or III? Or is it D, I followed by II, followed by III, followed by IV? Or E, none of the above? No. The answer there was A. I followed by II, by IV, by III. I'm wondering who thinks who's winning now in this round? Who's winning in this round? Is it Vine? Is it Ghana Christian High? Okay, we'll soon find out. We'll soon find out. We'll soon find out. I like that. All right. Can I have my social scientists up here? General knowledge questions. Welcome, 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 welcome. Put it on the next one. Okay. 2 questions for you. They're both picture rounds. First one. Identify this French footballer who was the highest goal scorer in the French Premier League. Picture should be coming up soon. Wow.
Kylian Mbappe.
You're correct. Kylian Mbappe. All right. Your second question is another picture round. Identify this stateswoman. Yes.
Reverend Joyce.
Okay, I think that's enough time. You care to try? He actually gave you most of it. It's the Reverend Joyce Aye. Okay? All right. Right, that brings us to the end of our round sponsored by Indomie. Can I have the other competitors on stage, please? Okay, we're going to go to a break while we tot up the scores for this Junior Sharks competition season 4. Okay, so at the end of that round, Both teams scored 5 points. I was just waiting for it to come up. But both teams scored 5 points each at the end of that round. All right? So we're going to go for a break while we total up those scores properly for you, okay? So take the weight off a bit, and then we'll work on that. Yeah.
Before you start your day, breakfast time is Kellogg's time. For work and for play, for a great start to your day. Breakfast time is Kellogg's time.
We always start our day with a nourishing Kellogg's breakfast, powered with the goodness of grains and 11 essential vitamins and minerals. So in our family, breakfast time is Kellogg's time.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Whenever Princess starts, the neighbors do complain that her voice and the beat are too loud. Who is scared of the voices of tomorrow's superstars?
You special in your way. It's me, like no other. No one else can do it like you. You know me.
That must be a neighbor.
You special in your way. It's me, like no other. No one else can do it like you. It's me, like no other.
Here's to all amazing moms who identify and nurture the uniqueness in our kids.
Indomie instant noodles tastes great. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Welcome back to the finals of the Junior Sharks Season 4. So who's going to go home with the trophy? Wonderful trophy over there. We had a hard-fought round. Some risk-taking, which is always nice. Okay, so as it is usually in high-scoring competitions, it doesn't tend to happen like that in the finals. All right? Do you have any ideas what your scores were? Okay. You guys? You know? Oh, interesting. Okay, so at the end of our competition for the Junior Sharks Season 4, the Vine Christian School scored a total of 55 points, and Ghana Christian International High School scored 80 points.